I'll do B. N plus 2 factorial over n factorial is equal to 6. Let's do this before we go. Our restrictions are n is greater than or equal to negative 2 at the top, and n is greater than or equal to 0 in the denominator. I'll break this down. N plus 2. What's 1 less than n plus 2? N plus 1. What's 1 less than n plus 1? N plus 0, but I'm just going to go n, okay? Divided by n factorial is equal to 6. Yay, we get to cancel factorials, right? They're gone now. Yes? Because we had an n minus 2 in the denominator. The goal of doing this is to cancel out the factorial in the denominator. You want to match it. You want to keep going until you find a match in the denominator. Okay, now you got to FOIL this. So some of you are struggling with that. N times n is n squared. N times 1 is plus n. 2 times n is 2n. 2 times 1 is 2. That is equal to 6. Now we combine. N squared, n and 2n is 3n. The 2 is just there. I will already bring the 6 over, subtracting, so that I have 0 left on the other side. Now you have n squared plus 3n. What's 2 minus 6? Negative 4, right? Is equal to 0. That's a quadratic, correct? Right, guys? We must use quadratic formula or factoring. If you're, I'm not going to show you how to factor. I'm just going to say use the quadratic formula. If you use the quadratic formula where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to negative 4, if you use these values, you should get n is equal to 1. As one will be negative, the other answer will be positive. Remember, guys, remember up here, what are my restrictions? What are the conditions? Only these two have to be met. Otherwise, you can't pick that solution. Okay? So, give this a try.